Welcome to Spring LIB.
We could complete the angles of the triangles. There's 180 degrees in the triangle. We know one of them is 51 and the other is 40.5, which leaves 88.5 degrees. Which then, if you've done the law of sines, we can do the sine of 88.5 degrees over its opposite side, 5. And let's say I want to find PB. Then that would be equal to the sine of 40.5 degrees over PB. It's the sine of an angle over its opposite side. Do some cross multiplying, and PB would equal 5 sine 40.5 divided by the sine of 88.5. Cross multiply and then divide by sine 88.5. Now, if we do this, then we can say, I'll go to a calculator here, make sure you're in degree mode, and we want to calculate 5 sine 40.5 divide sine 88.5. Which is about 3.25. And that is for PB. Now, let's make a right triangle, because we want the altitude. And so I'll call this A for the altitude. We've got this at 3.25, and this is a 51-degree angle. Now we can go right triangle trig SOHCAHTOA, and we can say something like, okay, opposite hypotenuse. The sine of 51 degrees is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. So 3.25 times the sine of 51 degrees will be the altitude A. 3.25 sine 51, or about 2.53 kilometers.